Oops, go.
Hi, welcome to the BEEP Surreal Zoo. So you're going to get a box of stuff. You're going to have white paper, you're going to have glue sticks, or your classroom will have glue sticks already. You're going to have a bunch of lengths of pre-cut yarn, and you're going to have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 baggies full of shapes. These are, what I suggest is that before this all gets started, you lay out your different body parts for the Surrealist Zoo. So you got heads, you got legs, you've got bodies, and then you have extras, which are wings and tails and all this fun extra stuff. Okay, so the kids are going to watch the little slideshow, and when the slideshow is over, you're going to say, we're going to make a zoo. Let's make some zoo creatures. The kids will get to pick out their different body parts. So if they need 2 heads, they can take 2 heads. If they need a couple legs, they can take a couple legs. I suggest that the teachers, you and the teachers, kind of monitor how many things they're taking so that they don't deplete the supply. But after they choose their body parts, they'll bring them back over to the table. And they will arrange their body parts. So I'm going to pick the cat head, and I'm going to pick the dinosaur body, and I'm going to pick butterfly wings and the horns. And this, so now the kids get to arrange them, and this is something that takes their time with this, figuring out, and if they decide they want to switch it out, they should go up and, maybe pick a different one. So here's the dinosaur body, and here's the cat head. Cat head maybe wants to have horns. Maybe the cat wants wings. So you got a creature. The kids are going to paste it down with a glue stick. I know you know how this works. Glue it on, and then when the kids are starting to be done, encourage them to name their creature. So this is one that my beeper did. He had the same arms and legs and heads. And so when it's all done, he came up with this guy named Cutie. So we wrote Cutie on the page. So after Cutie is done, now I wrote on here it took him about 7 minutes. It might go a little longer because there are a lot of people, and they might labor over their choice of body parts. That's fine. Then, while that's drying, we're going to come over here. Come on, little beeper. Come with me. So imagine that you are Cutie. Okay? Now we're going to be in the zoo for a minute. Can you imagine what would Cutie look like when that creature was sleeping? How would Cutie sleep? And now, oh, it's the morning. Well, how would Cutie move when she wakes up or he wakes up? How many legs does Cutie have? Cutie has 2 legs and a long tail. 4 legs? So let's see Cutie walking. How would Cutie walk around? Oh, nice. Now what if Cutie came across another creature? How would Cutie interact with that creature? How would you guys get along? How would you talk to each other? Do you eat the same things? All right, guys. How about grass? Does Cutie eat grass? So you're just going to walk these guys through a day of their creature. And at the end, you're going to ask them to come up with a special movement that just their creature does. Orson, can you come up with a special movement? It needs to be one that you can wear you can do while you're walking. Cool. Cutie does this. Okay. Now, while one person is doing the movement activity, the other helper or one of the teachers is going to tape the strings on. Then the surreal creatures get to wear their signs, and the surrealist zookeeper, that's you, helper, gets to carry a sign, and we're all going to go on a surreal zoo parade. Okay, so everyone do their movements and let's go. I'm doing my surreal movement, and we can parade all around the school if we want to, or just around the classroom. And that's it for Surreal Zoo.